Happy 2025. It is Thursday, January 2nd. Normally I would never have one of these because I think it's so wasteful to have something that has the year on it, but they were giving them away at Walmart to wear, so. Our reading mastery lesson, the LLI book we read just for fluency. Working on punctuation, capitalization, nouns and verbs, and then this is the worksheet that goes with the lesson. I have a couple minutes before my student that's at gym right now comes in and we do some work. So I'm printing off the news to you that will start this week and we'll do next week. It is the Detroit Auto Show. So this is the papers that I choose for my students to do. As you can see, I just have the collection right there. I just do the same ones for this group right now, but every year when I get different students, I just reevaluate what I'm doing. This is my news to you ULS cutting printing guide. If you really want access to it, you can ask me for it and I'll send you the link. Normally I'd print my vocab pics for the bulletin board for that one, and then I would also do like the science and stuff that I would need, but the laminator's broken. My personal laminator is broken, and well, we don't have pictures to reference. I guess we have digital. Sometimes life is like that. And then I just use a clip with the kids' names on it, and I don't have it stapled. That way, you know, if they get farther than another kid, it doesn't matter, and they just put it back with their clip. So I like to make my copies for my last group of the day at the end of the day. But my morning group right here, I won't make their copies until tomorrow morning, and I don't know, that just works with my brain. I gotta swap their books too. It is so confusing that it is Thursday because it doesn't even feel like Thursday at all. Over break, I had my sensory snow sitting here, hoping that it would melt, and well, it didn't melt, shrink, dissolve. Still, it's grainy cereal self. My shirt today is a little Etsy one, and it's like a personalized one. And then I have this pink cardigan on from Shein. Joggers are Amazon, I think, and then some Nikes. My kids always tease me like, oh my gosh, why are your pants so short? Because I'm a tall human being. Okay, we're going to Target. 1, I want a coffee, and 2, I need a laminator. I've got plenty of sheets. I have a little bit of money left of PTO money. I think I get 150. I don't remember how much I've said, but I have a personal laminator, or I did, that I've had, I don't know, probably maybe since the first year teaching. So it was 8 years old. And the week before Christmas break, my pair was using it to laminate a couple things for someone's door decoration. And the laminating sheet got stuck up in there, or the mechanism that makes it turn just broke and it wouldn't do anything. So we took it all apart to get the stuff out, and it was a mess. And so not only did it take a long time to get it apart, but the paper that had been trying to laminate had laminated around the turny thing, and it was just a disaster. So my janitor said it was a lost cause, he could just tell. And then a couple days after that, the big laminator broke that the entire school uses. And it wasn't me, I don't know what happened, I wasn't down there. But it's been down since before Christmas break. Now normally, during Christmas break, I would have come in and run off all my January things and had them go through the laminator. And then this week I would have been working on cutting and velcroing all those things for my students on the alternative assessment track. Usually there's only a couple days after we come back, and so I'm not jumping right into the unique learning system curriculum right away. We're doing New Year activities. So I didn't come in to school at all over break, which is actually quite unusual for me because I just like to get out of my house sometimes and get out of my routine. But I spent plenty of time at Walmart too, so I wasn't just stuck couch rotting all day long. And so there's plenty of things from the unique learning system that I laminate just out of convenience, and it's easier for my students to use than the digital version. There's only a couple things that are must-haves. So I think I'll probably do a little Instagram reel or something just saying the actual bare necessities of what you actually need to use for the unique learning system for the entire month's unit and what you can get by using digital. I'll probably do that. But the reason we're going to Target, 1, I kind of want Starbucks. I don't think I've had Starbucks since before winter break, actually. I was good at making my own coffees, and I had Caribou a couple times and a Dunkin' a couple of times, but I don't think I've had Starbucks since before winter break. And I want to stop at Ross just to like look around, because it's been a while since I've been there too, and it's in that neck of town. And then we're gonna go to Target and get a laminator because Walmart has failed me. And if Target doesn't have them, even though the website says they have 7 of them, there's an Office Max, Office Depot, whichever one is very close to there too. So we'll get our laminator today. Tomorrow I have a student who I normally have small group instruction with. It's either one-on-one or one-on-two, and both those students are gone tomorrow. They both have appointments that are usually every single Friday. They're different students. It just, that's what the appointments happen to be, every single Friday. So I have about an hour where I would normally have those students that I don't have students. So I have another student who I just had an IEP meeting for the week before break, and one of his IEP goals is like selecting the who that's happening in the story. So say I read him a book that's about Paw Patrol, and I hold up a Paw Patrol character and I hold up Clifford. Was he pointing to the Paw Patrol character? Is he using a speech device to hit the Paw Patrol character that's already preloaded on his device because he likes Paw Patrol? Just that he's picking the who in a field of 2. But the student's a bit of a paper ripper and just really loves cutting and ripping paper. So things need to be laminated, otherwise they last 2 seconds and they're gone. And this is something that I would like to use over and over and over again. There's plenty of reoccurring characters and series that this student likes, so laminating it is the way to go. And I have this little 3 drawer that's been sitting on my desk since maybe like October or September, when I was going through one of my cabinets in the gym and I was just moving some things around, and that'll be the perfect thing to store my who's and where's. I don't know what I'll put in the bottom yet. Maybe I'll have lots of who's, I don't know. But anyways, that's why we need our laminator, because I need to laminate these little faces, and eventually for next week I'll be needing some things for the learning system, which won't be a lot. Normally I am an excessive printer and laminator because I love to reuse things. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. A firm believer of if you don't get a cart, then you will be successful. If you get a cart, you'll have nothing to put in it. Okay, we're at Target now. I got 2 pairs of pants at Ross. I'll show you when we get home. It's kind of like their end of the season clearance sales, so that's kind of why I wanted to go and stop in. Venti iced caramel brulee latte. They have the Blogilates skirt in my size. That came out like Saturday. I'm in disbelief. Okay, cute little thing for the dryer sheets, because I have another one for our pods already. This is a little picture frame that is also a magnet. Cute. I have lots of others too. I actually considered getting one of these, but I only have one picture in mind that I want to use it on. Hooray, hooray. Laminator, check. So cute. I'm pretty sure that I have not been to Target since before Thanksgiving, and well, you know, I came in for a laminator and we've got much more than just a laminator. Okay, so this is what I got from Target. So I got the little Blogilates short situation, $35, but this is super cute. I only wish it was longer because I don't think I'll be able to wear it like teaching, even though like in theory this is absolutely adorable. I'm a tall human being if we ignore the fact I'm now wearing my pajama pants. Like I've got a decent amount of leg that shows, so I think this will be a fun wear around in the summer little outfit, and not something I can wear teaching, which is unfortunate because I love skirts. Purple's my favorite color, but I wear a lot of pink. This was $9. I don't have a zip up in pink, so this was so perfect because I have lots of pink bottoms I can match with that. And then also at Target, I found this little glittery, I don't know if you can see that it's glittery, but it's like a long line tank top sort of situation that has the padding in it, but I need to wear a bra underneath that too. Yoga, definitely, it'll be great. From Ross, the 2 pairs of pants that I got these for $12.99. They're the Project Blue, entirely rhinestone bedazzled. I've seen them, I don't know, October, whenever I was last trolling around Ross, and I really wanted them, but I didn't want to pay full price, and yay, clearance. I got them in 8. I prefer a 10, but 8 will be fine. And then I found these little Under Armour joggers for $16.99. I was wearing joggers today. Joggers are one of my favorite things to teach in with special education because you never know what you're doing. Are you changing diapers? Poop explosion was like the topic of the day. Am I chasing someone on the playground? Am I sitting on the ground? Am I reading to someone? Like, am I pushing a kid on the swing? Am I doing some sort of art project? Like, I just love joggers. Perfect comfy wear for me and my teaching situation. We don't really have a dress code as long as, you know, got everything covered that should be covered. I'm gonna throw this stuff in the wash because I really want to wear those jeans tomorrow because tomorrow's Friday, which is one work day. Gotta have pants with no holes and no joggers. So can't wait to wear those pants tomorrow. Friday after school, got the project done that I wanted to. I had a little time today that I got it printed, laminated on my new personal laminator, and I cut it. Haven't done the popsicle sticks yet. That's what it's looking like. The labels themselves are a file from Pocketful of Primary on Teachers Pay Teachers, and then the pictures that I have picked out so far are all just simple sticks, and I do 12 pictures per page. I like that size. And then for other books like No David, I'll have to print out a picture of the actual character because Simple Sticks didn't have one that I liked. So there's no popsicle sticks on them yet, but I'll do that as I use them probably. I'll swap some books. I already did the copies for my kids at the end of the day group. Back counter's a mess. What's new? Desk is not looking bad though. Okay, we are ready to get out of here. It's 3:30, so that's great because I want to go home and change my shoes. This cardigan is Walmart. The cardigans from Walmart always surprise me, and I have a closet full of cardigans, and I always really want more because they're so cute, but I don't need any more. When I go to work tonight, though, I'll show you the ones that we have because there's a lot of really cute ones that if I didn't have a closet of cardigans, I would get some. And if I was heading into student teaching, like that would be my go-to outfit. Cardigan, teacher shirt. This one's from Amazon. Lights, camera, teach, smile. And then I've got on my, put you down here. Okay, that works. Have my glittery pants on that I got from Ross, and then I have these sparkly Ugg boots on. The pants themselves are very comfortable considering I'm normally a 10 and I got an 8, and pleasantly surprised. The only problem is the length, so I'll have to figure out if I'm changing to a different boot. I really can't wear tennis shoes with them because it looks ridiculous. I don't know, I'll figure out at home. Then I have leftover Panda Express that I'm eating for dinner, so I don't need to go anywhere. We can get out of here. So I put some longer socks on, and I think I'm gonna wear these ones. Got the plain pink, a little neutral. That red one is so cute. And then we've got these plain little fuzzy ones. I love, love, love these knit ones. Almost bought the pink, but I don't need it. January 3rd, and Walmart is in like full Valentine's Day mode. Brought to you by me. If I was buying pajamas, it'd be that one. So cute. Like, those are cute. That's cute. Those are cute. Sometimes people wonder why I have so much clothing. Well, it's because I work here. Sometimes people ask me, like, how much do I work? Normally I work 7 to 4 Sunday and 5 to 10 Friday, but then during breaks I'll work a lot more. So I think we had like 13 days off, and I work 10 of those days, and I do my normal shifts, and then I added 7 to noons. I like working in that shift because then I don't need to take a lunch, and after about 12 the back room gets really busy and I can't do as much stuff as I want, you know? Delulu. Anywho, ending this video right here. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.